Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the timetables on the Royal Jordanian Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the More button down below and tap on Timetable. You should select the type of trip, such as round trip or one way. Then select the departure point. And after that, the destination should be selected. Set the travel dates. So the departure and the arrival date should be selected on this calendar. Tap on Show Timetable, and then you will be able to check out the available flights in that timetable. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.